In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert your website from Wix to WordPress. If you've decided to make the switch, you're not alone. Many website owners prefer the flexibility and customizable features that WordPress offers. I'll guide you through the process step by step to ensure a smooth transition. First, let's head over to your Wix site. You'll want to go to the Wix homepage and log into your account. Once you're logged in, navigate to your site dashboard where you manage your website. When you see the Site Actions menu, click on it. This drop-down menu offers several options for managing your site. From here, select View Live Site. It's important to view your live site because we need the URL for the next steps. With your live site open, go ahead and copy the URL from your browser. This URL will serve as the bridge to move your content over to WordPress. Once you've copied the URL, it's time to head over to WordPress to start the importing process. Now open a new tab and go to wordpress.com and log in or create an account if you haven't already. Once you're on the WordPress dashboard, click on the Tools section. This is where you'll manage your site's back-end functions, including importing content from another platform, such as Wix. Within the Tools menu, choose Import. WordPress has made the importing process quite intuitive and provides a specific option for importing from Wix. Click on Wix to proceed with the import setup. A box will prompt you to paste the URL of your Wix site, the same one you copied earlier. Simply paste it there. With the URL in place, click Continue. This tells WordPress to start pulling data from your Wix site. Prepare yourself to confirm this action. Now you'll see a prompt asking you to confirm the import. Click on Yes, Start Import to proceed. WordPress will now begin importing your content from Wix. This process can take a few moments depending on the size of your website and the internet speed, so be patient as it works behind the scenes. Once the import process is complete, you'll receive a notification indicating success. At this point, it's essential to check through your new WordPress site, ensuring that all content, including images and posts, has transferred correctly. You may need to customize layouts and templates to fully capture your website's original style, and there you have it. You've now successfully converted your Wix site to WordPress. With WordPress, you have countless possibilities for customization and expansion at your fingertips. Thank you for following along, and happy website building!